This is the Samsung Premier 9, and Samsung says it can replace your TV entirely. No mounting, no giant black rectangle on your wall, just a massive cinematic screen sitting inches away. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? Well, after spending real time with it, movies, sports, gaming, daytime viewing, I discovered what Samsung doesn't emphasize in the ads, and whether this is worth your hard-earned cash really depends on how you plan to use it. Samsung Premier 9 UST Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? This is the Samsung Premier LSP9T, often called the Premier 9, Samsung's flagship ultra-short-throw 4K laser projector. It originally launched as a premium alternative to large TVs, and it's designed for people who want a true home theater experience without mounting a projector on the ceiling. The big headline feature here is its triple laser system, which promises exceptional brightness, rich colors, and true 4K resolution from just a few inches away from your wall. It's aimed squarely at movie lovers, sports fans, and high-end home entertainment buyers who want something bold and are willing to pay for it. Samsung Premier 9 UST Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform day to day? Honestly, this is where the Premier 9 really earns its reputation. First off, brightness. Rated at up to 2800 ANSI lumens, this thing is genuinely watchable in rooms with ambient light. I watched live sports in the afternoon with the blinds half open, and the image didn't completely wash out like older projectors do. Is it OLED-level black in daylight? No, but for a projector, it's impressive. Where it truly shines, literally, is in HDR movie nights. Watching Dolby HDR content feels big, cinematic, and immersive. The triple laser setup delivers punchy highlights and vibrant colors without that dull, grayish look you sometimes get with single laser projectors. Motion handling is solid for movies and sports, though serious gamers might notice a bit of input lag compared to a TV. Features and tech. Let's talk about what makes this thing special and why you should actually care. First up, triple laser light engine. Instead of one laser and a color wheel, this uses separate red, green, and blue lasers. The benefit? Way better color accuracy and brightness. Movies look rich and saturated, and animated content absolutely pops without looking cartoonish. Second, ultra-short throw magic. This can project a 100-inch image from about 4 inches away, or up to 130 inches with just a bit more distance. That means no ceiling mounts, no shadows, no running cables across the room. It's incredibly practical for apartments or living rooms. Third, Samsung Smart TV, Tizen. You get built-in apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and Prime Video. It feels exactly like using a Samsung TV, which means fast menus and solid app support. No external streaming box required. Design and build. Aesthetically, Samsung nailed this. The Premier 9 has a clean, minimalist design with fabric-covered front that looks more like a luxury speaker than a piece of AV gear. It blends into modern living rooms instead of screaming tech gadget. The build feels solid and premium, with thoughtful venting to manage heat without excessive fan noise. Setup is also refreshingly simple. Place it on a low console, adjust focus, tweak keystone, and you're basically done. Pros. Stunning 4K image with vibrant, accurate colors. Extremely bright for an ultra-short throw projector. Super easy setup. No ceiling mount required. Cons. Very expensive compared to large TVs. Gaming input lag isn't class-leading. Final verdict. Look, if you're a home theater enthusiast who wants a massive screen without turning your living room into a construction project, the Samsung Premier 9 is fantastic. It delivers a cinematic experience that feels premium, immersive, and genuinely impressive, especially for movies and sports. But if you're mostly a competitive gamer, or if you care deeply about perfect blacks, you might be better off with a high-end OLED TV for less money. And yes, the price is steep. This is absolutely a luxury purchase.